Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, or if you're new here then welcome. My name is Eve. I post all sorts of makeup and beauty related content. Excuse the way I look, I did get caught in the rain. I'm just back after visiting my mum and I went to the post office and I picked up the BPerfect and P.Louise mystery box. This was £40 I believe. It tried to come yesterday but I wasn't in. It did come fairly quickly. It did get dispatched like on the same day, I think is what I ordered it. Sometimes P.Louise can take a wee while. My apologies, I'm not got my usual kind of table and all that in front of me because I'm so impatient to open this. It's the same with all my mystery boxes. I can never wait until I get makeup or anything on. But let's just talk about the box to start with. Isn't that the prettiest box? Like the lights are kind of reflecting there, but I will maybe try and pull my camera forward a wee bit so it's not as reflective. But isn't that the nicest box? Like it's really quite nice. I'm quite impressed. I wasn't expecting the box to be as big as that. So let's just see what's inside. Right, okay, so the actual sleeve is a bit different to the actual box. The actual box doesn't have the ribbed as what the sleeve does. Now I haven't even opened this, so this is my honest kind of first impressions and opinions. Right, okay. A few of these things I maybe have already, a few I don't, so I might need to put my glasses on for this. So I will check as I'm going through what I have already. Now this is one that she must be trying to get rid of, P.Louise, because this is the Cute and Coral base. I do have one of these already, and then I have another one in a giveaway box. So now I've got a third one, so I don't really know what I'm going to do with that, but there we go, we have it anyway. Then we have one of the Get Wet highlighters. This is in the shade Do You. I will just go and quickly check if I've got that already, because if I do I don't want to swatch it. Okay, so I thought maybe that I had received that in previous mystery boxes, but I haven't actually, so that's good. So let's have a wee look at this. The formula of these is really quite special, it's quite unique. It's quite a nice formula actually, so I'm excited to see what colour this one is. I think the other ones I have are kind of slightly less wearable colours from what I can remember. Oh, here comes trouble. Get quiet. So this is what this colour looks like. This is definitely more wearable than the ones that I've had before. So these are a kind of creamy formula. They're really quite unique. It's just like a lovely sheen there. I will definitely get use out of that. I would say a kind of slight pink reflect, but nothing too in your face. So that's perfect. The next item, I did actually check if I've got this already and I don't. So this is one of the metallic bases from Plouise, from P.Louise. So this is Prime and Define, and this is in the colour Hooked Up, and I'm quite glad to have this actually because I have got one of our other metallic ones and it's really nice. So this is beautiful. I don't know if everyone gets the same in these or not. So that is that metallic base there, this beautiful kind of rose gold colour. That is stunning. The one that I have already, I've just swatched quickly, and it's called You're Glowing. And that is that kind of more kind of goldy one. So I'm quite glad that I've got another one because I was actually going to buy the set with them in it anyway. So now that I've got it, I don't have to do that. And I'm just going to wipe that on my bed because why not? So that is the first three items. So to recap, we had the metallic base, the highlighter, and the coral P.Louise base. The next item we have is some pretty big lashes. So these are universal. What style are these in? Called Bad Wolf. Yeah, right, shush, Louise.
Wear that.
Right, you want me to wear that? Right. Apparently I have to wear this. So, sorry. But these are some really quite big lashes. I don't know if I'll use them or not. I'll need to have a look, but that's fine. Then the next item, we have a lip gloss called Sweet Spot. I think I've already got this, hang on. So yeah, I do. So I will just show you mine. Now these are really nice lip glosses, and this is a nice colour to include actually, because it is quite unique. Probably not a colour that you'll have, but it's probably not the most wearable colour, but that's fine. So that is it there. It is beautiful, I cannot deny that. It is a beautiful, beautiful lip gloss, and that was one swipe. It's so opaque. And it's got good stain powder as well. So that was that. So yeah, that's a bit of a bummer that I've already got it, but that's fine. Where did I put that one? So that will be going in a pile for a giveaway. The next item, which is fantastic that they've included this actually, and this is the P.Louise blank canvas acid rain paint. Everyone knows about this. It is amazing for cut creases. I have got one already and I do use it. So this will either go in a box for a giveaway or I'll sell it, or I'm not quite sure. But on to the star of the show. So this is a new palette, I believe. This is the packaging for it. This is the Manifest Aspire. This is a wee preview of the back. Now I did react to the formula in the other Manifest palette, but I don't seem to be reacting to Carnival 4 as of yet. So let's just hope that I don't react to this. I think this is brand new. I don't know if it's released to buy on its own yet. Finally got that plastic off. So this is what it looks like. I quite like it. It's nothing, you know, amazing. I think that highlighter shade might be too dark for me. But yeah, so that highlighter shade is too dark for me, but that formula is amazing. But you do have this lighter eyeshadow, which I could definitely make work of as a highlighter. Wait, I'll just swatch the rest for you. So sorry that the lighting is so bright, but that is the bronzer, the blusher and the highlighter. I mean, a bit dark for my skin tone, but it's fine. I could try and make it work. And then you've got the 6 eyeshadows, and like I say, this lighter eyeshadow I can definitely make use out of as a highlighter. So that's that. That's the mystery box. What do I think of it? So yeah, I do, like I say, I do have 3 out of, how many items was there? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so there was 7 items. Without a doubt, 100% it was worth the money. Like, if you didn't have those items already, like I did, then 100%. £40 for a palette, a lip gloss, lashes, highlighter, base, blank canvas. That is absolutely incredible value. Like, it is unbelievable. For me, because I did already have blank canvas, I had the coral base, and I had the lip gloss already, I kind of struggled to see if it was worth £40 for me, because like I said, I did have those products already, but nonetheless I don't regret buying it. I'm quite glad to have that palette. I might do a review on it for you guys if you're interested in seeing me kind of using the products from this box. Then just let me know and I'll definitely film that on Friday for you guys, so just let me know. I probably will end up selling a palette on, but I think if you're someone with a medium skin tone, then that palette, this whole box in general would be really, really good. So yeah, let me know what you think down below. Let me know if you want me to do the video on that. Please don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already, because there will be a giveaway soon because I do have repeat products. So thanks for watching. Bye.